Hello guys, today I'm installing light mounting bracket on my car. That's a light mounting bumper bracket, which is this one, which will go here, and we have to take out the registration plate. So I have already sort of unscrewed it. This comes out and this will go here. So I've installed one light. This is how it will look. It's a little bit tricky to fix the light, but I'll show you how it works. So what we got in a box is light, one screw inside, bracket, and nuts and bolts. So the small one goes here inside, which is the bolt, which is already inside. If I can show you, there's inside here. And then one bolt is this one. So the small one goes here with the bracket. This is how it looks after finishing. This will go somewhere here with the registration plate. So what I'm gonna do is now put my registration plate here and then fix it here. So this is my relay, which I'm gonna check with my battery. This is also, I bought it from eBay. It just says made in China and it's been distributed by somebody from London. Extra fuses, and these are some light sockets. So now I'm putting back a registration plate. But what I did is I put double-sided tape on this panel, which looks like now like this, and this will go here, so at least, and then we have got more screws, so at least it will not come out. That's what I did. Just gives it extra bonding for the tapes. So I'm gonna take this off, put some little glue. I'm trying to put this one. It's very good. I've connected the mounting bracket with the lights. It's fixed it properly, and I've installed relay. The red wire goes to positive, black one to negative. That's a switch, that's a fuse, and that's a relay. So just connected to check if lights are working, and they are working. So this is how it looks if we take out grill. And hopefully we are able to run this wires all the way from here and then hopefully somewhere here. So what I did is I installed it, positive and negative disconnected, That's with the relay, fuse, the wire came all the way like this. That's a switch which I'm gonna put it inside, like run through. We tried so that's the on off switch, so I'm trying and it's working. Oh, it came out good. And it looks like this. I fixed the grill. The grill is fine. I have to take this cover off just to make sure, you know, the wire is fine. So I'm gonna leave like this. I've put cable tie here. It's here, and the grill's done. This comes out. I just have to screw all this. So let's try now. I just turn the lights on and the floodlights. Alright, so it looks like this, which is pretty cool. Take another video shot how it looks in the night. So that's the way. Let me show you how it looks. So it looks like this, which is pretty cool. Extra lights, off-road lights. So that's the outcome. Looks good. Lights are bright. Pretty bright. So let's see how it looks now. Still, it's dark, pretty dark now, and we can see, wow, that's pretty bright, very bright. It just only the new lights are on. So that's off-road lights. Let's focus it. Still very bright. Now I'm gonna turn on the car and see how it looks. So that's with Nissan lights on. So both lights are on. And let's go inside and see the difference. So it's with Nissan light on, Nissan light off. Go like this. And I'm gonna switch off the off-road lights. That's the difference. So this is without off-road lights. this is with off-road lights. Let's go in the front and see how it looks. Oh, you can see a little bit red, which I put like a reddish grill. Looks from closer, it looks nice. This is LED inside. And that's my Nissan inside running lights. And let's see with off-road lights on, that's what difference it makes. So it brighten up all the corner, and that's dark. I can see it's dark. That's on my auto lights. Let's go back a little bit. Clear. And that much difference. So if from this corner to that corner, you can see white lights. So if I leave like this and turn it off, no, then you can see only from here. That's more up to here, and then on this side it's nothing. I'm gonna leave like this and I'm gonna turn this on again. Look at that. That's a big difference. That's a big difference from inside. Amazing effect. Cool. And I installed another light, LED, which is underneath, which will give an effect on the road like a red. I hope people liked my video, and off-road light installed, final project done. Result, I think it's very good.